So the first part of the Digital Transformation Technical Leaders Program is kind of a quick start. We call it Immersion training. It's a 6 to 8 week apprenticeship experience at our offices where the trainees are embedded with us for an intensive experience where it starts with classroom training for 2 weeks, half days, and then the other half days we're doing what we call discovery. And that's where we actually map out the problem, understand the science behind it, start coming up with the specification for the solution. And then following that, we have daily pair programming sessions where they work with one of our trainers to basically make sure that every day they know what they're doing and they can get feedback on a very fine-grained timescale. So that's kind of the first part of it, and then they work with us for another 4 weeks and we continue to provide that kind of support, but then they're getting more and more into their projects. And they bring projects that are relevant to their work. These are real projects, not toy problems. And sometimes people have come in with literally no prior programming experience, and by the time they leave, they have a tool that they've created with our support that can have a dramatic impact on their work, so their day-to-day work. So just as one quick example, we had a fellow who, he's a PhD, and part of his job was to count the defects on a picture of a semiconductor wafer, and that could take 3 days, 24 hours of work. He was able to create a tool, through this program as his project, where he could run that same process in 6 minutes.